In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers now, and will continue to do so in the future. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. Hope to see you soon.